What does it truly mean to be a leader in today's world? It's more than just profits. It's about driving change, navigating complexity, and creating lasting value. In financial year 2024, a group of Indian executives exemplified this, and their earnings offer one way to gauge their significant impact. In this video, we'll not only explore the mind-boggling remunerations of these top 5 Indian executives, but also we'll delve into their leadership qualities, trace their unique journeys, and uncover the key factors that propelled them to be top 5. So let's dive right in. So on the first position, we have Abhay Bhutada. Mr. Bhutada is an entrepreneur, banker and philanthropist who earned India's highest ever salary of 241.21 crore in financial year 2024. As a figure in a Poonawalla group, he has been instrumental in the company's growth and strategic direction. He is also recognized for his philanthropic efforts through the Abhay Bhutada Foundation that focuses on education, healthcare and sports development. On number 2, we have Pawan Munjal, the chairman and the CEO of Hero MotoCorp, earned 109.41 crore rupees in financial year 2024. A driving force behind the Hero MotoCorp, Munjal has led his company to maintain the dominance in the two-wheeler market, both in India and its expanding global presence. On number 3, we have Sudhir Singh, CEO and Executive Director of Coforge, earned 105.12 crore rupees in financial year 2024. With his expertise in IT consulting and digital transformation, Singh's leadership has been crucial in driving Coforge's business growth and its emergence as a key player in IT service sector. On number 4, we have Vinay Prakash, Executive Director in Adani Enterprises, earned 89.37 crores. He has played a key role in overseeing and expanding the company's energy and infrastructure sector, contributing to Adani Enterprises' sustainable growth and diversification. On number 5, we have Kalanithi Maran and Kaveri Kalanithi of Sun TV Network has earned 87.5 crore rupees in financial year 2024. As key leaders of Sun TV Network, they have been instrumental in building one of India's largest conglomerates, that too with a significant influence across South India. So these substantial compensation figures reflect the scale of these executives' responsibilities and their impact on India's major industries. From Abhay Bhutada, who earned a record-breaking 241 crore rupees while steering the Poonawalla Group's strategic direction, to Pawan Munjal, whose steady leadership continues to drive Hero MotoCorp's dominance in the two-wheeler market. Each one of these leaders exemplifies how vision, execution and innovation not just translate into corporate success but also into personal milestones. Their leadership and strategic direction has not only shaped their companies, they have helped define the direction of India's evolving economy. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching.
Bosswala. Be the boss.